Exam Sorted Web App User Guide. This user guide provides step-by-step instructions on becoming an Exam Sorted member and accessing all its features. It offers a comprehensive overview of the platform's sections, including learning modules, test questions, analytics reports, account settings, and more. To become a member of the Exam Sorted application. Step 1. Launch any browser and go to examsorted.com. Click the membership icon at the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. On the membership page, click the sign up icon for the plan you want to subscribe to. The available plans are: Guest, £0 month, free access to a limited set of test questions and subtopics in the Learning module. Monthly, £12 per month. Quarterly, £24 per quarter. Yearly, £60 per year. The monthly, quarterly, and yearly plans provide access to 5,000 plus practice questions and learning modules for science, covering both Key Stage 3 and GCSE. Also, you can get a detailed analytics report on every subtopic to know your learning progress. Besides that, you can also identify the trouble spots on every subtopic to help improve your score. If you'd like to experience Exam Sorted before registering as a member, you can sign up as a guest for free and get access to a limited set of test questions and learning modules. Step 3. In the membership form, fill in your first name, last name, email and password. While setting a password, you need to ensure it is at least 8 characters long, with at least one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. After filling in all the required fields, please read and understand the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once you fully understand and agree to what is written in them, click the checkbox and then click the Verify Email button. Step 4. You will be prompted to enter the one-time password to verify your email address. Go to your email and check your inbox or spam folders to get a 6-digit OTP. Then, type the code into the box and click the Validate button. Step 5. Once your email is validated successfully, you will see a screen titled Summary. Click the Register button on the screen. Step 6. In the Address Details screen, please provide your address, country, and postal code. Then, click the Submit button. Step 7. It's time to pay for the Exam Sorted subscription. Please fill in the cardholder's name, 16-digit debit or credit card number, expiry date, CVV, and postal code. After adding all the details above, click the Submit button. Step 8. After clicking the Submit button, you will see a pop-up message, Account created successfully. That's it. Congratulations! You have become a member of Exam Sorted and are ready to learn and practice all the topics in Key Stage 3 and GCSE. To log into the Exam Sorted web app. On any browser, go to examsorted.com and click Login at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email address and password on the login screen and click Login. You can select the Remember Me option to avoid entering the login credentials every time. After you enter the credentials and click the Login button, you will be redirected to the main page of your Exam Sorted account, where you can access the learning modules and practice questions. To access learning modules. On any browser, go to examsorted.com and log into your account. On the home page, click the Learning tab at the top of the screen. In the Learning screen, select the curriculum, Key Stage 3 AQA GCSE AQA, and the subject, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Note, the Learning page is in grid view by default. To see all the subtopics and lessons on a single screen, click List on the top right of the screen. Once you select the subject, all the lessons will be shown on the screen. By clicking on the lesson name, you can view all the subtopics for the selected lesson. Next, click the subtopic to access the learning module. For example, if you click the subtopic Structure of Earth under the topic The Earth and the Atmosphere, you will see the learning content for that topic. At the end of the subtopic, you can click the left-right arrows to view the previous next subtopic for that lesson. To practice test questions. After you have learned the concepts of a particular subtopic, you can test your knowledge by practicing test questions. After logging into your account, click the Practice tab on the home page. In the Practice screen, select the curriculum, Key Stage 3 AQA GCSE AQA, and the subject, physics, chemistry, biology. Note, the practice page is in grid view by default. To see all the subtopics and lessons on a single screen, click List on the top right of the screen. Once you select the subject, all the lessons will be shown on the screen. You can view all the subtopics for the selected lesson by clicking on the lesson name. Click any subtopic for which you want to take the practice test. Example, nutrition and balanced diet. The question can be true or false, match the following, choose the correct answer, activity type, or image-based. Based on the question type, select the answer and click the Submit button. The Submit button is grayed out by default. After you select the answer, it will turn green. To view the hint clue for the question, click the bulb icon at the bottom right. If your answer is incorrect, you will see a screen with the correct answer and explanation. If your answer is correct, your screen will show something like this. While you are practicing the test questions, you can keep track of the time spent, score, and questions answered on the right side of the screen. After you complete all the questions for the subtopic, you can see your final score. You can click Retry Test to take the test again. Analytics Report. Exam Sorted provides a detailed analytics report for the test questions you answered on every subtopic. You can use the analytics report not only to know your score but also to improve it. Get score for a particular subtopic. After logging into your account, click Analytics on the home page. In the Analytics screen, click Scores and Outcomes. Then, select the stage, Key Stage 3 GCSE, Board, AQA, Subject, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, and the duration, today, this week, this month, this year. Then click Search. Here, you will see the list of all topics for the selected subject. Click the up arrow to view the scores for all the subtopics in a lesson. The table shows the last maximum score you obtained in a subtopic, the total number of questions answered, the total time spent and the date you last practiced that subtopic. Know the trouble spots for a subtopic. Let's say you want to boost your score on a specific subtopic and review the questions you got wrong. After logging into your account, click Analytics on the home page. In the Analytics screen, click Incorrect Responses. Then, select the stage, Key Stage 3 GCSE, Board, AQA, Subject, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, and subtopic. Then click Search. After you select the subtopic, you can view all the questions you have answered wrong and their correct answers. Click Previous or Next to move to the previous or next question. This feature will help you identify and correct mistakes for a better score. Summary. Would you like to know how much time you've spent practicing test questions over a week, month, or year? You can easily access this information through Analytics. After logging into your account, click Analytics on the home page. In the Analytics screen, click Summary Report. Then, select the stage, Key Stage 3 GCSE, Board, AQA, Subject, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, and the duration, today, this week, this month, this year. Then click Search. The summary report includes the total number of questions answered and time spent. It also provides a breakdown of subtopics, showing those you've mastered, scored 100%, those you haven't attempted yet, and those where your score is below 100%. Know your learning progress. After practicing test questions, would you like to track your progress on a specific topic? After logging into your account, click Analytics on the home page. In the Analytics screen, click Detail Report. Then, select the stage, Key Stage 3 GCSE, Board, AQA, Subject, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Then click Search. Here, you will see the list of lessons for the subject you have selected. By clicking the up arrow for a lesson, you can view your progress across all the subtopics within that lesson. Exam Sorted Account Settings. Exam Sorted lets you update your profile picture, change your password, and access additional settings. To reset the password if it is lost or forgotten. You can easily reset the password by logging into your Exam Sorted account. On any browser, go to examsorted.com and click Login at the top right corner of the screen. In the login screen, click Forgot Password. Enter your email address and click Send OTP. Check your email inbox or spam folders, enter the OTP in the box provided, and click Validate. Create a new password and click Update to reset the password. Note, the password should be at least 8 characters long, with 1 uppercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. To change your password. Exam Sorted allows you to change the password for your account at any time. After logging into your account, click your name on the top right of the screen. In the pop-up menu that appears, click Change Password. On the Change Password screen, enter your current and new passwords. Click Change Password to set a new password for your account. Note, the password should be at least 8 characters long and include 1 uppercase letter, number, and special character. Set your avatar, profile picture. Exam Sorted allows you to set a cool graphic as your profile picture. After logging into your account, click your name on the top right of the screen. In the pop-up menu that appears, click Profile. In the profile screen, click Edit Avatar. Select the one you like from the list of avatars on the screen and click Save. That's it. You have successfully set a new avatar for your Exam Sorted account. To log out from Exam Sorted web app. On any browser, go to examsorted.com and click your profile on the top right of the screen. In the pop-up menu that appears, click Log Out. You will see a success message, you have logged out successfully.